All right, brothers, you asked the question, and now it's time for the truth. What's the best source of omega-3 fatty acids? Is it flax seeds, chia seeds, walnuts, or is it from fish, wild salmon, sardines, krill oil? Let's break it down. Flax seeds, chia seeds, walnuts, they're rich in ALA, right? That's the active omega-3 in those plants. Here's the catch, though. Your body has to convert ALA into EPA and DHA. Those are the forms of omega-3 your body can actually use and to actually fight inflammation and heal your cells. And you know I talk a lot about flaxseed on my page. I love flax seeds. But the problem with flax and chia seeds is your body only converts about 5% of the ALA to EPA. And less than 1% converts to DHA. That's it. And if you are dealing with insulin resistance or stress or low testosterone, then your body is not even able to convert at that rate, even lower. So yes, plant omega-3s are very helpful, but they're not enough by themselves if you're trying to heal your prostate, if you're trying to boost testosterone, or if you're trying to reverse inflammation. Now let's talk about wild caught salmon, fish, cod, krill oil, pasteurized eggs, grass-fed beef. Now those give you the EPA and the DHA directly. No conversion, no delay. Those are the versions of omega-3 your body can use right away, right? Because you know omega-3s lower inflammation, boost testosterone production, they protect your prostate, they sharpen your brain, they help your moods. And a lot of these oils, these fish oils come with vitamin D as well. Olive oil, and that works hand in hand with omega-3 for hormone support and production. So if you want results, right, not just theory, then you need omega-3s that your body can use immediately. And that means animal sources. So go out there and get some good grade salmon. Don't get the trash. Don't get the farmed salmon. Get some good sardines. Don't get the trash. Don't get the 99-cent can of sardines from the Dollar Tree. Get the good stuff. Plant-based omega-3s is great support. But animal-based omega-3s, that's your medicine. So go out there and get some. Hit the subscribe button if you're ready for real healing, not just hype. I try to, do myth busting and cut through all the noise and give you real men's health tips. So let's get healthy.